How much do you get paid for working 0 hours? We simply substitute 0 into time. 20 times 0 is 0, plus 50 is $50. How much do you get paid if you work for 8 hours? We substitute time equals 8. 20 times 8 is 160, plus 50 is $210. Now what if the goal is to earn $280? We substitute 4m, 280, equals 20t plus 50, and the rest is algebra. 280 minus 50 is 230. We divide by 20, and we get 11.5 hours. When dealing with line equations, usually the domain and range are all real numbers. However, in the context of this question, we're talking about time and money. We can't work a negative number of hours, so t is greater than or equals to 0. Furthermore, there is an upper limit. No human being can work forever.